Hello again and Namaskar. In the first video, we saw how SEBI has been trying to make it easy for investors who are holding physical share certificates to register their details and their signatures with the registrar. We had talked about two cases. Case 1 is you have received the forms ISR 1, ISR 2 from the registrar. However, you do not seem to have the physical share certificates with you. In such a case, all you need to do is fill up the form ISR 1, get the form ISR 2 attested from your bank manager, write a letter to the registrar along with the form ISR 1, ISR 2, asking the registrar to send you the process to apply for duplicate share certificates. The process is normally very simple, where you have to submit an affidavit and an indemnity bond as per the format of the registrar, and the registrar will send the physical share certificates, the duplicate share certificates directly to you, or in these cases today what they are doing is they are sending you an entitlement letter based on which you can get the shares dematted in your demat account. The second possibility is you have not received the forms ISR 1, ISR 2 from the registrar, but you have the physical share certificates with you. Now this possibility arises because your address over the years might have changed. They would have sent the form ISR 1 and ISR 2 to your old address which is registered with them. In such a case, please find out who is the registrar for the shares for which you are holding the certificates, and this can be easily found out from Google. Go to the registrar's website, download form ISR 1, ISR 2 and SH13 from the registrar's website. Fill up the form, get the form ISR 2 attested by your bank manager, send this to the registrar along with a covering letter saying that your address has changed and please update the new address in their records. So these two cases can be very simply handled. Now in the third video, we will talk about how to apply for duplicate share certificates where the address has also changed and you do not have the physical share certificates with you. Thank you and keep watching.